How to request a ride for someone else on Uber? Hello everybody and welcome to our channel WebWays. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to request a ride for someone else on Uber. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So these are simple steps that are gonna help us to create a ride for someone else. Basically, if you go into your Uber app, and by now I'm going to select right here, and on top we have three options to plan our ride. So the first one is to pick up now. I mean, you can schedule another time if you want to, even date and hour. And at the end of those options, there's an option that says for me. So if I tap there, by now I have add a rider whose name is Ari Citas Médicas, but you can change it. So you can tap on add rider. This is going to sync your mobile contacts, and there you're gonna find, I don't know, let's try with this person. I'm going to tap on next. I'm going to add it from here. There is the name, the last name, and the phone number, and I'm going to tap on add rider. And in that way, I have another person added here into my riders. So if you want it for you, obviously it is the first option. But if you want it for another person, you tap there, tap on done, and basically you must to select a new place in order to send a ride for that person. Okay, and that's it. You are gonna be able to track all the ride for that person, and even to share that ride to that person through WhatsApp it could be. So both of you are gonna be tracking the ride. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can request a ride for someone else on Uber. Thanks for watching.